This is Litho Colour Kodak at Oostende in Belgium. Kodak is of course the worldwide group making and developing film and photographs. They had a problem with the enormous quantity and volume of paper sacks. So they installed a Mil-tek Model 205 TS. This reduced the volume on an 8:1 ratio. It improved the logistic flow and made for a cleaner workplace. They were so pleased with the way the machine worked at Oostende that they installed another Mil-tek Model 205 TS at a plant in Holland. They make about 3 bales a week.